In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Twitch to Discord. To get started, open Discord and head to your dashboard. This is the main area where you can access your account settings and manage connected apps. If you're using the desktop app, the layout is usually easiest to follow there, although the process is very similar if you're on the web version. Once you're on your Discord dashboard, look down to the bottom left area of the screen next to your profile. You'll see a small gear icon. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open your user settings. This is where Discord keeps all of your personal preferences, account options, and connection settings. After the settings menu opens, look over to the left-hand column. You'll see a list of categories for different parts of your account. Find the option labeled Connections and click on it. This section is specifically for linking other platforms to your Discord account, which is exactly what we need for Twitch. Inside the Connections area, look for the arrow that indicates View More. Click on that to expand the list of available platforms if Twitch isn't immediately visible. Discord supports a variety of integrations, so this extra menu helps reveal more connection options. From that expanded list, click on Twitch. As soon as you do, Discord will begin the connection process and open a new Twitch login window. This pop-up is where you'll sign into your Twitch account, so make sure pop-ups are allowed in your browser if nothing appears right away. When the Twitch login window opens, click into the login fields and enter your Twitch username and password. Take your time here and make sure the details are entered correctly so the connection goes through without any issues. If you're already signed into Twitch in your browser, this step may be faster or may even happen automatically. After you log in successfully, Twitch will show you an authorization screen. This page explains the permissions Discord is requesting in order to connect with your Twitch account. Review that information, and when you're ready, click Authorize to allow Discord to complete the link. Once that's done, your Twitch account should now be connected to Discord. If you don't see it right away, give it a moment and check the connections section again. And that's it. Your Twitch and Discord accounts are now linked, making it easier to manage your community and connected platform features.